man glide
Yo,
on the air.
no go easy, man.
Hey, I
One smarty talk, man.
want to the batty boy, a Gaza uncle, man. Come on for the something, man. Come on
Alright,
for
you
that,
see,
man.
you see, me tell you about-
No trigger it, you know, Kemar.
You
Uncle,
see that
don't
though?
tell him about his mother, Kemar. Uncle. But
Listen
look,
what me I
Kemar,
say
you know
now.
that.
Bro, no stop me the man lie to no dog and the brother before about tell me about say and lie, you stop me the man lie to no.
Rasta saying Rasta the up here before the brother come up here.
I lie
Yep.
the man I tell, stop me the man lie to no dog. The man said release on the hip hop and it forward up on iTunes and the reggae. That make him lie to the
What you
brother.
Rasta say?
Yeah,
So-
what
so
you
what-
know?
what-
Hold on,
what-
let me
so-
say something real quick.
So why?
I said,
Hold on,
John,
hold on.
Hold on, man.
so
Finish,
serious?
man. Hold on, man. What room is
Yo,
that, bird?
all right. Watch your song dance out. You see that version, sir? Flavor. I work for him, you know. And me and my friend, and sometimes me and my friend, you know. Because he's a man, me just call a spade. Right?
Yeah.
Right now, Flavor is a man, though. More than fair share as a producer in a reggae and dancehall music. The man that hold up a hits. No man that perfect, brother. A man forward out as animal do a hold up a man stop doing the business. Hold up the producer, them pack up and run away. Then lock down them studio. Them set off everything. And Flavor still out there, so I do what I do and I invest in an artist. See? I mean, that's a Flavor perfect, you know. Because both time Flavor cuss the artist and I tell him, say, stop it. Stop this artist, ask him. I put my life, I tell him on him phone. But when we see the man, I go at the man and like everybody I try it. Pick at him and I say, Ray, this and that, and people I say, my fraud, and people I say this and people I say that. You don't know how much hit tune the man produce? You don't know how much hit tune Flavor produce? You don't know when time one drop music, they stop playing a dance and Flavor come with a rhythm. We have how much hit song on a one drop rhythm. I make one drop start play back in a dance in the early 2000s. But everybody just step on the man case. So you saw Jews just release on the reggae. You know, release on the hip hop. So what the big deal?
Nothing to do with the lies them
But
when currently.
Kemar come up here and the disrespect.
Have nothing to do with the
Kemar
lies them when currently I
listen.
tell my youth. What that have to do with the lies them when currently I tell?
Listen.
Him come over here, him do over dancehall war channel, and basically I say he must sell more than everybody else, right?
So the man now sell where your artist sell.
And the man them and him me not depend that one, Mitch. And the man them prove him wrong. When the man them ask him why the album didn't make reggae billboard since it has sell so much and I do so much. You know what was his reason why he didn't make reggae billboard? Because his album was a hip-hop album. And then the man then come and then disprove that again, say, no, your album they under reggae. That means they would have met the reggae billboard chart. Why Kemar McGregor not prove
the man album not
people
on Billboard
say
chart.
hip-hop
Not on
you
Billboard.
release it under?
They're on
Why not
iTunes
show
chart.
when submit the album under
If the producer for the song, if the producer for the album explain to Uno.
Man, I lie,
If the producer for the album explain to Uno, who blood clot Uno is. Uno produce
We can't look up the facts, bro.
then we can't look up the facts and know say facts. If somebody tell you say the bomb clot no sky no
the man tell us a recross the on the albums. Alright, this one
it's sky black. Me it's sky black.
Right?
It's sky
So
black.
at first him say it's a hip hop album. Still come up here and say it's only reggae. The man say it's a reggae hip hop. You understand? So what the fuck? I want to know.
Mitch, what the album they under right now? So? What they on dancehall? What they on the picture? What they on the picture? Mitch, what they on the picture, Mitch? What they on the picture?
You know hear what the man say?
Then tell Kemar to prove, say, I know that, no. Show with the submission.
That's all you have to,
that's all you have
to say.
It's simple.
That's all you have to say.
Simple.
Come on, man.
Yo, I'm gone.
Hello.
Oh, Shane, what are the
Listen, the una talk for Kemar can angle himself because Kemar come up here really strong. And people have feelings to them. I'm going to talk for them artists.
You know what is happening?
Him can angle himself.
I
Don't
just
come up here and
miss.
talk for him. Him can angle himself. I'm come up
What
strong.
are you addressing? Me,
You need to start
saying
something here,
Kemar
Mish,
come
because
up
when
strong.
people
Everyone of
talk
them,
facts,
me, you, everybody. Kemar
not
come up
because
very
the man is a
strong.
producer, that means the man is correct.
Yo, the man is a legendary producer.
It doesn't
Nobody
matter.
not saying nothing
Lie.
about that.
Me
But
not
we're
gonna
talking
disrespect
about him
him.
attack all
If
them
you don't
No,
know
no, disrespect.
if
Tell the man the
do
truth,
this
that's not
stuff,
disrespect.
Big man,
You can't
don't do
come
the history.
You cannot come on a platform and lie and expect.
Ocean, hold on, Ocean.
Mish, Mish.
Hold on, the flat side,
We can't
hold on.
have
I just want to say
conversation with
something.
you.
Mish, hold on, Mish, hold on.
Music, you know.
I just want to say this, my G. Me not this Kemar McGregor. I don't want nobody take it as disrespect. But if
Facts.
hold on, Shane. If Kemar McGregor come up here and him a talk down other artists and I try big up himself and I make it look like him do something where him not do, and me go check the facts, I'm gonna talk about it, bro. That's all I'm doing. I'm not disrespecting him. Come here, say him this alkaline, him this massacre, him this cartel, him this valiant, him this everybody, right? So when me go check up the facts and prove, say, yo, bro, whatever they attack is not factual, I be a fuckery. Me no want no man tell me nothing, bro. Say tear down and this. Me not tear
Me never
down
say
and
you are
him come
tear
and
down the
say,
art.
not
Me never
you,
the
I
not
producer.
mean
you,
say
that
it, man.
that
I
No,
mean
old
say
man
it, I'm
with the
stand
right
but
by
thing
it.
on
Misha
them
talk
thing. The
like me
old man
talk.
with the
Him
right
is
Me
a
thing
say
on
it, I'm
them
producer.
stand
thing.
by
Nobody
it.
never talk against him.
Hold on,
Him
man.
come up
Hold
here
on,
real
hold on,
strong.
son.
Why
Hold on,
would I say
bro.
that?
That
Me
old
and
man
Kemba
with the
me
right
style
thing.
is strong.
Bro. We now have to agree and still can't reason still. No?
Hey,
Me and
the
Lee.
boy you talk about old man and you sound like your old man. You sound like my grandfather. You know me, boy.
Sound like my grandmother.
You know, you sound like my granny.
Yo, make no bother with that, brother. Come.
You
Yeah,
start
yeah,
talking
Cut it
about
yeah.
out.
Go
old
back
man.
on
You,
there.
All
you,
right,
you
cut
know
it
what you
out.
talk
Talking
to?
to you, I mean, I take that back, you know.
What you mean
Yeah,
boy
you
you
tell
not
me
take
boy,
back
you're a
that?
publicist. You're a failure as a publicist. Of course, man.
You're
Yeah.
a diplomat, you don't know me.
Man, them love argument.
You're a diplomat. Me a legend in the business. Nobody know you.
Yo, here we go and bless up everybody. Here we go and Rallo, you're a big man, you know, brother. Zane, I mean, I tell you the truth. Kemar, a general when it come to producing back then. Zane, nobody now take that
Big up,
from you.
Renee.
You see me? But brother, the two of them are two general in the thing. A years you not do this, bro. When you supposed to act better to brother. When you not set an example up, you
Hold
neither,
on,
bro.
you know you're the virgin that stand me a while ago. You not talk to him.
No, me I talk before that, Rallo.
So what did I do before that? Tell me what I do before that.
How you approach it when you just start talking and you talk about publicity and all of that, you know, brother. How you approach all of that, you know. Kemar up here, so you say you listen all long. And you know, hear Kemar did that talk and I bring them
You know,
artists.
you're saying
Hold
wrong
on,
for
bro.
style the
You
artist.
never hear, hold on, you never
Hold
hear.
on, you're saying wrong
Hold
for
on,
style the
you say you
artist. I'm
tell
going to
him.
tell him enough time.
Yes. Listen, bro. We are talking about now. You say you tell him that for your life and whatsoever.
I
Then,
tell him otherwise, so we stop this artist. I tell him
yeah,
that.
but me I show you say him do that now. Him just do it a while ago. Presently.